song. Again, it was kind of inspired by, Moppesogs. And back in 2011, you might remember there was a blacksmith forge in here in the town. So we kind of said, well, we'll just write something about blacksmiths. And a couple of people came up with some very good songs and poetry, but anyway, I came up with a song called Blacksmiths.